Looking for a highly equipped SUV with superior functionality and every luxury option you could possibly imagine? You've come to the right place. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee Overland 4x4 in brilliant black crystal pearl. With bi-xenon HID headlamps, LED daytime running headlamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, power folding multifunction mirrors, LED tail lamps, heated and ventilated front seats, 7-inch LCD instrument cluster with tachometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, park view rear backup camera, dual zone temp control, select terrain system, 9 amplified speakers with subwoofer, heated second row seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, quadra-lift air suspension, power liftgate, 3.6-liter Pentastar V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 3036A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.